There's a castle and there is a cathedral. So there's the castle, but oh, look, it's a rainbow. Whoa. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a rainbow. It's raining again. It's getting dark. We're trying to make it. We're going down this kind of scary alleyway here. Oh my. It told us to go down this way. Oh, that's a huge puddle though. Here, let me go see. There's a few huge puddles.
I'm out here, baby, living my truth. On the new with my crew. I'm out here, baby, breaking the rules.
Hopefully we don't come to like a locked gate at the bottom of these stairs, because I would hate to try and go back up. I hope this wasn't like private. Whoa.
All my girls with the new rocks. Skip the line at the new spot. Ladies to the front seat, got nothing to prove.
All right, we found our way back to the port. It was pretty easy to navigate. I don't really suggest walking. It's doable if you want it, but I would suggest the hop on, hop off bus, just so that you have more time to do more of the stuff. We spent a lot of our time walking, but it was fun and it was an adventure. So now we are getting back on the ship.
Right.
Did you have a nice time?
Yes.
I'm lost in your energy. You got me feeling weightless, no gravity. I feel so high when you look at me. Caught up in your sweet, sweet fantasy. Oh my God, it's so electric, unexpected, oh.
It looks so good. I'm just gonna eat some of the ice cream that I
Ariel had to go make improvements to her pound cake with vanilla ice cream. She added chocolate syrup.
Oh my God, this feels so reckless. Drop my defenses. You got that good vibe, good vibe.
Trying to get the internet. Internet cafe. Where's Ariel? Ariel, where are you? There she is. All right, so we've been having a difficult time trying to get everything logged in and hooked up, and they entered all of our stuff incorrectly, and so we have to bring our passports down. You can come out of line. Hi, Ariel.
Hi.
What are you doing? Right, so we spent the better part of an hour trying to get the cards and names situated and straightened out. They had me and Ariel mixed up, so that was crazy. She is, I don't know what she's doing. Oh my God, look, the rainbow is even prettier. Thank you.
I like all the players.